Well, what do you know? It must be Friday again, as the big girl is packed and ready to rock. Okay, let's see what we're seeing today. Slightly overcast. It was raining this morning, not raining now, so that's good. Just got my jeans, my boots on, Wrangler jacket, which has been waterproofed.
Really, it's just a denim jacket.
Bike's been washed after its little jaunt to Assen, Holland, last weekend. Got this little slightly slower back, something to do with the way I grip the handlebars, I believe. I might have to just change position. So today we are off to Bonfest in Kerrymuir, Scotland. So we're going to see a lot of AC/DC, one of my favourite bands. My favourite band, what am I saying? One of my favourite, the favourite band. Just going to nip up to Perth, turn off there, head up the back road into Kerrymuir through Blairgowrie. Yeah, here we go. Slow down a wee bit. So this is the entrance, just coming up the 90 to Perth. We're going to go over I forgot the name of the bridge, over the bridge, up in through Perth, the edge of Perth, up into Blairgowrie, and then up the back road into 27 miles, so it's 28 miles from my house to Perth. So the two sets of traffic lights in Perth for both bridges, and that's what the traffic is. So here we are. So it says I'll be there in 55 minutes, a bit of a longer than I expected. How did he manage that? How did he manage that? How did he manage to put that in that hedge? It's a giveaway. You give way, you're doing 5 miles an hour, but he still managed to put it in the hedge. Well done. Still, looks like nobody was hurt. But yet a strange one. But it makes you think, if he can put that in the hedge from 10 feet away, what could he do to a motorcyclist? What could he, I don't even want to think about that. the A85 on the edge of Perth. We won't go into the town centre. I do like Perth. I've never spent a night out in Perth though. But it's always a first time. Flashing light means it's working. Woohoo! I think I might have actually figured it out. Oh, it's a bit warm now. Turn that down, because now we're going to see the hedges. Well, it's just one big hedge actually. But I tell you what, you'll not be cutting it with a pair of cutters. Hand cutters, that is, for sure. The River Isla. So I believe this is on an estate. Not 100% sure what estate that is though. And this is the start of it. It's not in full bloom. They did seriously cut it back last year. I mean, they cut it back. And it hasn't bloomed. It may take 2 years to bloom again. Bloom is only starting to come out. Get a wee rough idea of what it's really like all the time. That constant green that goes right to the top. And it looks like a big hedge. Although today it just looks like a dead hedge. Do you think maybe they over pruned it? So, welcome to Blairgowrie, lovely little stone house towns. Where is this road? Oh yeah, down by the pub. This is the road. If you're up this way on a bike, turn down that road there. The Stormont Arms. Go along that road there. And you'll see some of the nicest houses. Very tight, twisted bends, a couple of nice little lakes, but it's just a beautiful little road. I think I will do that later on in the year actually. Done it through work, but I haven't done it on the bike. Let's see how good your parking is. Looking good, looking good. Oh, you're in there. You're so in there. I wonder, has it got autopilot? Oh yes, Spooners, can be the Spooners. Cheap beer. Lovely little place this. Had a few nights here. A few theme nights. A few different pubs. So if you're this way on a motorcycle, the Angus, you got a good welcome, a good breakfast, and they do great theme nights. Just go up over this here beautiful ridge, look at that there, isn't that solid? Lovely little walk along that. So, Braemar up there. Yeehaw, Balmoral Road, that says it all. There it is over there. I can see the top of it. Will there be a bit of DC tonight? Yeah, baby. Oh, I get younger as I get closer. So let's go for a little spin around Kerrymuir. So this would be, well, almost the top of the village coming in. Cairngorms National Park. Take that road and you're in the middle of nowhere. Oh, freshly cut grass. I'm in love. So, this is Kerrymuir. Nothing happening here. Quiet. Streets are absolutely dead. Nobody about. Maybe it's the wrong weekend. That wouldn't be the first time I've done that. All quiet. You can see why it's called the Little Red Village. Everything's red. Oh, there's one that's not. So this is initially what it's made out of. So nothing happening here. Not a soul in town. Not a soul. Argyle Arms. I've eaten in there. Are we Main Street? Town Hall. I'll be in there later. Must be some Australians. Thomas. See what's happening down the statue. They'll be playing today, unusual.
Okay, so due to me enjoying myself way too much, I actually didn't catch that much of Kerrymuir, because to be honest, it was one of the best weekends. So what you're about to see is a small clippet squeezed into 3 days. week later and I'm still recovering. But on the plus side, it's the Northwest 200 motorcycle race next week.